how nice it is to just pick up things without any conscious effort of keeping the fingers open and without any stress at all, and holding them like this. Hi, this is Efren again, who is bringing you his personal cures to the paralytic effects of stroke, and hoping that when you see these videos you will get inspired and start your own recovery program, so that you will join society as an independent person as fast as possible. Muscle spasticity or muscle tightness is one of the I would say perennial problems that we meet as stroke survivors and stroke patients. It is because when we become tense, the tendency is that the muscles on the arm become stiff, so the fingers here, the nerves, everything that controls this one here they tend to be pulled. So what happened was this one goes like that, it goes curves like that, which is what it likes to do because it is more comfortable when it is being curled rather than when it is being kept straight. So the only thing that we can do so that this one here will be kept straight is to keep it relaxed, and that is by doing also this exercise that I will be showing you in just a short while. So this kind of exercise does not or it will not be done only once or twice. It is a continuous thing because it is depending on how our brain has healed, so that this one here will be kept straight, because I believe it is our brain that controls the movements of this one here. So it helps a lot to stretch these fingers in such a way that the fingers will not contract going. Our exercise for today is related to keeping the affected fingers open or straight so that they can become useful in our daily life. And this is what you will do so that you will be able to keep your fingers open, or to keep them soft also and straight. So all you have to do is you place your affected finger over your palm here, and then you hold it like this, and then, or you hold it like this, your thumb will be over here, and then you bend them like this. Okay, so it shall be like that. So coming nearer, it will appear like this. Then the next move is you can reverse it. You hold the palm, the good palm will hold the affected palm this way, the thumb will be at the back, and then you bend it like that. Right? So from here you go into this one here. Alright, so this is how it is when it is on the side. On the front side it will be like this. Okay, so like that. Now for you can also do this on the side part, which is to bend the fingers like this. So you, again, the palm, the good palm, you'll hold it here, under here, the thumb will be here as a leverage, and then you bend the fingers like that. There. So if you can see, it will be like this, fronting you. It will be like that when it is on your side, pointing at you. And the last one is, so we did it on 3 sides. This time you have to do it also on the reverse side here. So you hold the back of the weak fingers here,
put your palm underneath, so it will be like that. Okay, you adjust that, go like that. Okay, you grasp it and then you bend it like this. There, if you can see. Okay, so that's just how it goes, right? So from here, do you go like that? You go like this, then you go going down, or you can also go like that, in which way you like, so that the fingers will be kept straight. Now, I don't know which part of your finger is the weakest, because that depends on what uh, nerve cells were affected in the brain. So for me, for example, my ring finger and my small finger are the most affected. The small finger is most affected. It is not the, as you can see, they are not on level with these two fingers here. They should be like that, but they are taking a little bit of time. So how are you going to give them more emphasis when you try to bend them so that they will keep or they will remain open? So you have to favor the last two fingers. So for example, this one here, instead of just doing like that, I will favor these two fingers by going this way, and then I will go that way. So if it is like that, or if this is the normal way for the four fingers to be bent, then what I will do is I will give more emphasis to this one here. So it's kind of a curve here. You can see there. The same also when I go downstairs, I will also give more emphasis going this way. So it will be like that. There. Same when it's on the side. Same also when it is going upwards, where I will have to give more lift on the small fingers. I can do it like this, or I can do it like that. Okay, so that's the way to keep these fingers stay open, so that they will be more functionable, especially when we have to touch something or lift something. It's better that the fingers are more open than they are closed, because how can we hold something when the fingers are closed? Let me show you an example.
So here is our challenge of the year move. So our comfort zone is supposed to be on this level, that our fingers should be kept straight here, and they should not be tense, and they should not be curling, or they should not be having muscle tightness. Okay, so we are able to keep it straight like this, but one of our challenges that we have to do in our therapy so that we can improve more is that with this arm here, these fingers here should be straight when they are put above. So for example, we want to touch this one here, or we want to hold this one here, just like my good hand here, the fingers should be straight while they are still here. So how will you be able to keep the fingers straight like this? So the solution is to keep doing this with the fingers if they are supposed to be up. But most important is that we should reach as high as we can. And while we are reaching high, the fingers should be kept straight, and that so that we will be able to hold onto something like this. Or if we can do it also downwards, like that, or upwards with the palm. When the fingers are curling, then because they were curled that way, because that will be their comfort zone when they are put up, then we have to uncurl them by doing something like this. Then placing them, if possible, placing them on this portion here so that they will learn to be uncurled at this level here. They can also release the object that they are holding. So this will be simply practice, 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 and it may take a year or so, or it can be much earlier. All you have to do is really do it, plus this relaxing exercise of bending the fingers so that they will be feeling relaxed, even if it is supposed to be up here.